1, 2, 3, 4. Shake your eggies on your head. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shake your eggies on your shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shake your eggies on your chin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shake your eggies with Miss Deb. Hey, I'm Miss Deb. Welcome to Strummin' Mamas and Daddies too, where we learn to sing and strum with our little ones. Today we are learning the A minor chord. Last time we learned C7. That was our first lesson. If you missed the first lesson, yeah, check it out up here. The second lesson, we reviewed C7 and went on to C. And then we also introduced the F chord. Now that you've gotten so great at those chords, it's time to move on to A minor. We are looking at the second fret, fret number 1, fret number 2. All you gotta do, finger number 3, your middle finger. We should just count it. 1, 2. Let's do it again. Should we do it one more time? 1, 2. And we're going to find this is the top string, string number 4, and that's it. It's the A minor chord. The A minor chord goes really awesome with the F chord because now all you have to do, keep holding that A minor chord, you are going to add your second finger on the second fret, yes, to make the F chord. We're going to go back. A minor, take that 2 off. F, A minor, and F. 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4, and F. 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4, and F. 2, 3, one more time. A minor, 2, 3, 4, F. 2, 3, 4. You're doing great. Okay, we're going to switch to the C chord next. Do you see how my finger is just hiding? It's hiding. This is finger number 4, Rosie Rabbit, and she is right by the C chord. So she just naturally kind of falls there. That is why we use specific fingers for chords, is because, well, sometimes they just land there, right? So there you go. Now we go back to C. So let's do that all in a circle now. So we're going to go A minor, now F, and now C. You might recognize the sound of this chord progression. Do, 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 do. There's so many songs that start with this chord progression. 2, 3, 4, A minor, to F and C. One more time, A minor and F to C. You're doing awesome. Well done, mummies and daddies. All right, next, we are moving on to our new song this week. And this is a super fun one, okay? This is a song that is perfect for you to play if you have eggies. I'm just gonna grab mine down here on this table here. Yeah. If you have eggies, now, if you don't have eggies, that's totally fine because you can easily make them. It's almost Easter, so there's lots of these little eggies around. And I would suggest, if you're making them yourself, is to put some clear tape around where the seam is, just so they don't fall out. You can put beans or popcorn kernels, rice, depends on the sound that you would like them to make. Rice is probably the quietest. You can try out and see what you like. Okay, kids love shaker eggs because, well, they sound fabulous and it's fun, right? So we just want to do fun things with our kids. So what we're going to do is we're going to teach them. If you have a little baby, you're just going to shake the eggies, okay? If you have a toddler, you might still be shaking the eggies. If you are a toddler approaching a preschooler, you might be able to do the eggies one on top of the other. Now, how are you going to get your kids to do this? So before you sing the song, you're going to want to go like that. You're going to give them their eggies and you're going to sew 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If they're not paying attention, we'll make it funny. Let's say whack, 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 whack. Be a duck. Whack, 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 whack. Or be a cat. Meow, 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 meow. You can try anything. There are no rules here. We're just trying to have fun with our kids, okay? So shake your eggies. That's right. We're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? That's how the beginning of this song goes. So we're going to start with our chord progression, A minor and F and C. All right? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's chat. So Miss Deb was doing something. Maybe you can see. I might be a little too close. Let me just kind of move on back here, my friends. Cross my legs. I got my ook on my lap. Strum down with your thumb. Now try strumming up with your index finger. So you go down, up, down, up, down, up. I just matched it to the C chord. You can do any chord or you can just hold it like that. Practice doing that strum for a long time, as long as it takes until you get the hang of it. That's the thing with practice, is you just got to keep doing it till you feel comfortable, and you'll know you practiced enough when you can do it without really thinking too hard about it. Okay, so let's try that. We're going to start again at the beginning. A minor, F, and C. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shake your eggies on your head. You can take a little break here, right? And gather your thoughts before you have to find that next chord. Okay, going back to A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shake your eggie on your shoulder. Oh, yeah, you got your shoulder. Yay! Praise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shake your eggie on your tummy. Oh, where's your tummy? Where's your tummy? Oh, and tickle your little one's tummy if they didn't get it. Well, I'll tickle it anyways. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shake your eggie on your nose. Okay, now we're going to get a little bit faster because we did it really nice and slow so we can really get their attention. Now we're going to make sure that they actually know those parts of their bodies really well. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you see what I did? We can do that again. We'll go slow. We won't sing the song. Down, down, up to F, down, down, up, down. I went to A minor. Let's just go back and forth between A minor and F. Down, down, up, 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 down. You know, you can even practice with your kids in the room. You could be a cat. If you were practicing and we want to be a cat, we would say meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. Practice can turn into a song. Practice can be playtime. You don't have to be practicing so that it's boring, because boring is just not fun. Who wants to practice and learn something that's boring? No one. Make it fun. All right. So we were doing that. We were doing the down, down, up, down strum. So it looks like that, right? Down, down, up, down strum. Okay. down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, A minor, down, up, F, down, up, C, down, up, down, up, down, up, A minor, down, up, F, down, up, C, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, A minor to F to C, down, up, down, up, down, up, boo, woo, woo, yeah, this practice isn't going to be boring at all. So you notice all kinds of different things that I did in there. We did the animal sounds. I went from loud to soft. I went from fast to slow. Changing all those things in the music grabs your little one's attention. So think about that when you're playing together. All right, let's go back to this song, the Shake Your Eggie song. Shake your eggie on your head. Shake your eggie. Shake your eggie on your shoulder. Shake your eggie. Shake your eggie on your belly. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. This is just the verse. Here we go. Shake your eggies. Shake your eggies on your head. Oh yeah, and I did it wrong, right? Because I'm supposed to count to 4 so that they can do the eggies going on top of each other. Let's do that again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shake your eggies on your elbows. 2, 3, 4. Shake your eggies on your toe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shake your eggies on your belly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shake your eggies all around. So all around, woo, like that, right? Yeah, all around. Or you could do like a twirl, right? Now we're moving into the chorus. Okay, this is where it gets a little crazy because, you know, kids love the shaker egg so much. It tends to kind of get them a little excited. So we're going to do like a real cool kind of shake your eggies bit. Because this song doesn't have many words. But this part, the chorus, only has 2 chords, and they are F and C. And F and C. And back again. Okay, so you want to play like me, right? This is the same kind of strum that we just did. Down, up, down, up, down, 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 down, get ready to change, down, up, 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 change. Are you getting the hang of it? Let's go a little faster and a little faster and a little faster and a little faster. Let's go. Let's jump. Let's jump. Oh, let's twirl. Let's jump. Let's jump. Let's twirl. Let's twirl. Yes! Clap your hands. Clap, clap your hands. Yeah, clap. Well, obviously you can clap and play, but you realize I'm not talking to you at this point. I am talking to your little ones, which just might be in the room with you right now while you're watching this video. Probably not. But anyhow, I'm just trying to make this fun for you. And I want you to experience what types of activities you can do with your kids. Like seriously, this isn't brain science or brain surgery is what I'm Okay. This is not brain surgery, guys. You can do it, okay? You only need to know really 3 chords. Well, yeah, we've learned 3 chords. A 4th chord will be really nice. Next week, we're going to learn a 4th chord, so make sure you master these ones. Okay, let's talk about this chorus again. I know I'm rambling on. Shake your eggies, shake your eggies, shake your eggies. I had to stop. We're going back between C and F, and only C and F in this chorus. Now, when you hear me doing the down, up, yeah, that fancy strum, you don't have to do it. You can simply just go down, like that. You just do it in the same tempo as I'm doing, okay? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Shake your eggies, 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 way up high. Shake your eggies, 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 way down low. Shake your eggies, 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 way up high. Shake your eggies, 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 way down low. Shake your eggies, 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 all around. And you can go on and on and on for as long as you need with this song till your kids get played out or you get played out. And really, you don't even need a fancy ending because that's the end. And that's the end, or that's the end. So you're just going from the F chord to C. You can go, that's the end, or that's the end. Make it as silly as possible because this is the whole purpose of Strummin' Mamas and Daddies too. Having fun with your kids. Practice, and I'll see you next week. Shake your eggies, shake your eggies, shake your eggies, shake your eggies, shake your eggies.